How to use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the WhatsApp app as this feature is not available in the older version of WhatsApp. Now, once you have updated your WhatsApp application, open the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Now, tap hold on the U option you see there, and here you will see the option for Add WhatsApp Account. So tap on the Add WhatsApp Account option you see there, and now in this particular interface, tap on the Agree and Continue button you see there, and you will now be required to enter the phone number in which you want to use the WhatsApp. So go ahead and enter the phone number and then tap on the next option. You will then receive an OTP in the number that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code sent to you, and just like that, two WhatsApp accounts will be connected to your iPhone. So this was about how you can connect two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.